What's up, you guys? So today we are taking the R8 and I don't know if you can see the C8, but we're going to be taking both cars to the Sacramento Raceway. Now, if you look around, you can obviously see that the weather is less than ideal. However, in Sacramento, there is no rain. The roads are not wet. The track is not wet. So it might be a little bit cold, but hopefully we'll be able to grip and we'll be able to put down some good times. So stay tuned because today's video is going to be a banger. I'm really excited to take the R8 to the drag strip because this is going to be the highest horsepower car I have driven there. And I love the all-wheel drive system in the R8, and I know that it's gonna hook and do really good. I do wish that the grounds were dry. However, at the Sacramento Raceway, there is no rain yet, so we should be good for a little while. But yeah, so stay tuned because this car is gonna put down some serious numbers. I'm gonna try. I really wanna try to hit 9.99. I don't know if you guys remember my GTR, the fastest I did was 10.5, and I'm hoping that in my R8 I can do something better than 10.5. I'd really like to hit that 9.99 mark. And since I'm taking two cars, I obviously need a second driver. And my second driver was supposed to be here 45 minutes ago. So I've been calling and texting and I'm not getting any response. So hopefully he shows up soon because the gates have already opened and the racing starts in about 45 minutes and it's a 35-minute drive to get there. So fingers crossed that we can get there with enough time to put down at least a few decent passes. Well, the good news is while I have been waiting over 2 hours for my buddy Andrew to show up, the sun decided to show up. So the cars are drying off, the roads are drying off, and I have a feeling like today is gonna be a great day. So now I'm like super pumped because the sun is out and that just makes me happy. And so I'm excited. Today's gonna be an awesome day. Well, look who decided to show up. Buenos tardes. Get it? Dude. Tardes, because you're tardy.
Tardy? Yeah. She was bad, man.
It's all good, man. Hey, you know what? The sun came out.
Not gonna lie, I don't even know how I woke up. I just and then looked at her phone. I don't even know how I woke up.
Dude, I called this guy literally like
80 times. I didn't hear any of them. I didn't hear any of them.
I literally called him like 80 times and I sent him like a multitude of text messages that ranged from, hey, are you close? Hey, bro, don't flake. Hey, wake up. Hey, bro, where the fuck are you? To, hey, you want a burrito? Hey, man, don't flake. Like, it was good. So I'm glad he's here. We're gonna hop in the cars, we're headed down to the drag strip, and we're gonna go do some runs. So we just made it to the Sacramento Raceway, and behind me is my 2017 Audi R8. It is equipped with a Sheepey Race Stage 1 twin turbo kit, and it puts down about 755 horsepower. So about 2 minutes ago, I was just Googling how to use launch control in this car because I've never done it before, but we're getting ready to do our first pass. Shit.
Don't worry, it's Sacramento, you know how it is. Look, it'll be clear in an hour. I just VHT'd for that Corvette run. You'll get a good pass. Here, I want to get a picture.
Hey, let's make it quick since we're about to get rain. Here, press record.
It's recording.
Okay. I'm sure this is picking me up, but we're literally starting to get rain. There we go, maybe that's better. We're starting to get rain, and I'm gonna do my pass right now. So yeah, just one camera.
At least one. Go. Hey, good luck.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hey, I'm gonna film for you too.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a YouTube video. I grew up on this track.
Nice, hell yeah.
Yeah, I just don't have a nice phone.
So that gives me time then to figure out if I even know how to use my launch control.
Keep the steering wheel super straight. Are you all the way on the brakes?
Yeah.
That sounds like something.
Found it. All right, here we go. Yeah, so, well, let's walk over where it's a little quieter and talk about it. So I have no clue what happened there. So I put the car and engaged launch control, but by the time I got up to the line, it disengaged launch control, of course. So then I re-engaged launch control, and then as soon as I went, the car started spinning, and there was nothing I could do at that point. But then what was weird is the car went into manual mode and continued to bounce off the rev limiter because I had no clue we were in manual mode. I don't know why it went into manual mode. That was very, very weird. So I got a 23-second quarter mile at 39 miles an hour, but we're gonna go again. So don't go anywhere. Don't go away. Let's go hit run number 2, see if we can do any better. I got a 10.8. And I did not use launch the car at all whatsoever. I just put it in performance mode and used the paddle shifters, and I ran a 10.8. So to put that into perspective, my full bolt-on E85 GTR was running 10.8s, give or take if the track is prepped and, you know, all the stars align, but my GTR was running 10.8s, and that's full bolt-on E85. That was full launch, that was full effort, max effort. The R8 did 10.8. just off the line without even any launch. So I'm pretty happy with that so far. Now I'm gonna try to launch it and make that work. That run was just okay. I tried launching it again, but for some reason it seemed like we bogged in second gear.
It shoved it up to like second gear or something.
Yeah, it was weird. And so I ran it was an 11.2, so that obviously sucks. I did way better manually shifting.
Yeah.
If it continues like this for more than 10 minutes, guys, that's probably going to be it because the track is going to be too wet.
Well, that probably explains most of it right there.
Yeah, so basically it's raining a lot.
And my phone is saying to rain for the next hour like this. So
And we're probably done.
10 minutes, guys.
We're probably done. All right, you guys, well, it looks like the weather has spoken and decided that we are not getting any more runs in. They just announced that it's gonna be wet pretty much for the next hour or so, which doesn't give us enough time to dry off the track and get any more runs in, so we are all done. So to summarize, we got 2 runs in with the R8. First we did a 10.5 where I was manually shifting in performance mode, and then we did a launch control in dynamic mode where we got an 11.2 because the car bogged. All in all, I'm still pretty happy because we did get the 10.8 and we didn't even launch the car and still got a 10.8. So I'm pretty happy with that. So with all that being said, this video has come to an end. I do hope you are enjoying this installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. Please like this video, turn on the notifications bell, leave a comment, tell all your friends about it, share this with everyone you know. It really helps me out and I truly appreciate it. With all that being said, this video has come to an end, but please be sure to stay tuned because we got about 20 videos left within this installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. So be sure to stick around for that. But otherwise, I'm out of here. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.